Meet Bob. He's been avoiding fixing his roof because of how expensive he thinks it will be. Meet Bob's wife, Linda. She is currently very annoyed. Fear not, Linda. Bob can book a consultation with RoofClaim.com and speak to a real person like Zena, who is just one of our experts ready to help. At RoofClaim.com, we take care of all the hassle from the initial inspection to helping you navigate the complexities of roofing logistics, permitting, supply, and labor. We even have expert specialists for insurance claims with a team to support you every step of the way. Or if you would like to finance on your own, we even offer that in-house. Very impressive. With 20 years of experience in the industry, we make the process of getting a new roof easy peasy. That way, Bob can focus on more important things, like perhaps that long overdue weekend away he promised Linda 3 years ago. Look at Bob go. Our expert roof doctors will get to work to install your roof in as little as a single day. We are committed to helping people like Bob and Linda across the country. So be smart like Bob and visit roofclaim.com today. Go on, don't be shy.